Hello, I'll be doing a tutorial on how to download and install TeamSpeak and a bit on how to other features that that TeamSpeak offers. We begin by going to the download page, clients. Depending on your operating system, you would be installing different things for each of them. Depending on for Windows or Linux, depending on you have a 64-bit or a 32-bit operating system. Mac just gets one. And if you figure out what your version is for your operating system, if you already know, you download the specific one for your operating system. I have a 64-bit system, so I would download this version. Then you just save it to your computer. I currently have it already downloaded, so I do not need to re-download it. Then after you get it completely downloaded, run. It doesn't matter if you read this or whatever, and you can if you want. I usually never do it for these type of applications because they're usually straightforward with what they're going to do. Accept terms of use. Next. Next. Depending on where you want to have it installed, if you have a different hard drive, you would change the information here, or want to a different directory, you would change it right here. Next. Next. This is a feature mainly for gaming only, and it's not needed for it. I never installed this, but if you can if you want. If you're a person that does gaming and you have a community that actually uses this for some reason, then you just click the checkbox and hit install. If you don't, just leave blank and install. I currently have this installed, so I'm not going to install it. And once you have it installed, just double click it. It opens up. You just go into connections, connect. If you have the IP for the TeamSpeak server you're joining, you put it right here. Requires a password, you put the password here, and this is the nickname that shows up when you join the TeamSpeak server. And if you want to save stuff in your bookmarks, in case you actually your computer wipes or something like that, and you didn't make a backup of what your TeamSpeak servers are, you can double click this, opens up, and right in here you can create a TeamSpeak account. This is not required, and this just offers a way for you to save your favorites, your bookmarks, in case you lose your computer and stuff like that. You just put your email you want, your password, verify password, and this would be the nickname or username that shows up when you join the TeamSpeak server. Then just create. And you're done. That's that. And for those that actually have issues with, let's say, noise that your mic picks up and such, you can just hit it normally would look like this. You hit advance, and right here there's remove background noise. This will take out a lot of background noise that your mic may be picking up, which a lot do. I have mine enabled because mine does a little bit pick up things. It makes it a lot your voice clearer and such for it. So it's a good idea to actually have this enabled. And that's basically you're done right there. That's the main features of TeamSpeak that you really need to work with. There's other additional options in TeamSpeak that you can mess around, find out settings for certain things and such. But for your main aspect of just your TeamSpeak, just to operate it basically. That's as much as you need to know. Alright, and that'd be the end of this tutorial, and